Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Today we're tackling a question everyone asks: how can we slow down aging and feel vibrant? The answer isn't in expensive creams, it's in your grocery cart. Science shows certain foods fight aging at the cellular level, helping you look, feel, and think younger. In this video we'll break down the top anti-aging foods, the compounds that make them powerful, and how to easily add them to your meals. Ready to eat for longevity? Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Berries, nature's antioxidant bombs. First up, berries, the ultimate anti-aging food. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your cells. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which cause cellular damage and speed up aging. Studies show that people who eat more berries experience slower cognitive decline, up to 2.5 years delay in brain aging. Berries also help protect your skin from UV damage, support your heart, and reduce inflammation. The best part? They're easy to add to your diet. Toss them in oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or just snack on them. Think of berries as nature's candy, with real science-backed benefits. Just a handful a day can help keep your mind sharp and your body youthful. Simple, delicious, and effective. Make berries a daily habit for a powerful anti-aging boost. Your future self will thank you. Let's move to the next superfood. Chapter 2. Fatty fish omega-3 for skin and brain. Next, let's talk about fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring. These are packed with omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA, which fight inflammation. A key driver of aging, omega-3s keep your skin hydrated and supple, reducing fine lines and protecting against sun damage. They're also crucial for brain health, supporting memory and lowering the risk of dementia. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week, grilled, baked, or pan-seared. Not a fish fan? Consider a high-quality fish oil supplement, but check with your doctor first. Regularly eating fatty fish helps keep your skin glowing and your brain sharp. It's one of the simplest ways to invest in long-term health. Add it to your weekly menu for real anti-aging benefits. Let's keep going. Next up, greens. Chapter 3. Dark leafy greens, cellular protectors. Dark leafy greens, kale, spinach, collards, arugula are nutrient powerhouses. They're loaded with vitamins C, A, and K, supporting collagen, cell turnover, and bone health. Greens are rich in carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes and skin from aging and environmental stress. They also help your body detox and reduce cellular stress. Add spinach to smoothies, make a kale salad, or sauté greens for dinner. Eating more greens is a direct investment in your cellular health. They're low in calories but high in anti-aging benefits. Make greens a daily staple for long-term vitality. Now let's talk about a crunchy snack that's great for longevity. Chapter 4. Nuts, healthy fats and longevity. Nuts. Walnuts, almonds, pistachios, Brazil nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Vitamin E in nuts protects your skin from sun damage and keeps it looking youthful. Studies show that people who eat a handful of nuts daily live longer and have lower rates of heart disease and cancer. Walnuts are high in plant-based omega-3s for brain health. Brazil nuts provide selenium for thyroid and antioxidant defense. Portion control is key, about 1 ounce per day. Add nuts to salads, yogurt, or eat them plain. They're a simple, satisfying way to boost your longevity. Different nuts offer unique benefits, so mix it up. Make nuts your go-to snack for a longer, healthier life. Next, let's sip on something powerful. Green tea is up. Here's why it matters. Chapter 5. Green tea, cellular defender. Green tea is a centuries-old beverage with modern science to back it up. Its star compound, EGCG, is a potent antioxidant that protects your cells from aging and supports repair. Green tea helps defend your skin against UV damage, improves elasticity, and supports metabolism. Studies link regular green tea consumption to smoother skin and a lower risk of cognitive decline. Swap out sugary drinks for 1 or 2 cups of green tea daily. It's an easy, affordable way to boost your body's defenses. Green tea is a simple habit with big anti-aging payoffs. Next, let's talk about a superfruit for your skin. Avocados are up. Chapter 6. Avocados, skin-glowing superfruit. Avocados are loaded with healthy, monounsaturated fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They strengthen your skin's barrier, locking in moisture and reducing fine lines. Avocados deliver both vitamin C and E, a powerful combo for collagen and skin protection. They also contain glutathione, the master antioxidant for cellular detox. Eating avocados helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from other foods. Add avocado to salads, toast, or smoothies for a skin-nourishing boost. It's a delicious way to support youthful, radiant skin. Avocados are a true superfruit for inside-out health. Now let's spice things up with turmeric. Chapter 7. Turmeric, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It blocks inflammation at the cellular level, protecting against arthritis, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Curcumin also boosts your body's own antioxidant defenses. For best absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper. Piperine increases curcumin's bioavailability by up to 2,000%. Add turmeric to curries, lattes, or roasted veggies for a daily anti-aging boost. It's a simple way to fight inflammation and protect your cells. Turmeric is a golden spice with proven longevity benefits. Make it a regular part of your routine. Let's wrap up. There you have it, 7 science-backed foods to help slow aging and boost vitality. It's not about one magic food, but building a diet rich in these protective nutrients. Start small. Add berries to breakfast, enjoy salmon for dinner, or toss greens in your lunch. Consistent, simple changes add up to big results. Your plate is your most powerful tool for longevity. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based health tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.